I have a broken Apple headphones here. So this is how it looks like. And have you ever wondered how the microphone looks like inside here? Okay, let's open it up. So these are the buttons, the volume buttons. So small. And this is probably where the microphone is, right here where this hole is. The wires broke already. Can we take it apart more? Probably yes. Okay. Oops. I broke something. Okay, so these are the contacts. Something jumped. This thing jumped out. So that's a contact. This is the circuit board. And this is how you really break the headphones. I cannot take it out more. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.